significant operational challenge every day. I spend 1 hour manually processing data exported from Splunk into Excel. This process was not only time consuming but prone to human error. The manual nature of the task meant I was spending valuable time on repetitive work instead of strategic analysis. We needed a solution that would free up our resources while maintaining data accuracy. After thoroughly analyzing the requirements, I developed a comprehensive solution using Python within a Jupyter Notebooks environment via Anaconda. The automation framework I built included error handling, data validation, and enhancing reporting capabilities. I leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to accelerate development and ensure best coding practices. The implementation followed a structured approach. First, I documented every step of existing manual process to ensure no business rules were overlooked. I then gathered requirements from all stakeholders. The development process was iterative with regular testing and validation to ensure accuracy. Throughout the project, I maintained clear communications channels with my team members and documented everything thoroughly to facilitate knowledge transfer and future maintenance. The results exceeded our expectations. I reduced processing times from 60 minutes to just 10 minutes, and 83% improvements. Manual errors were completely eliminated through automated validation checks. The team gained back 5 hours per week for strategic work. Data quality improved significantly through standardization and consistent processing rules. This project delivered substantial business value beyond time savings. It enhanced our business intelligence capabilities through more reliable data processing. The solution improved our analytical capabilities by freeing up resources for strategic work. We have established a framework that can be applied to similar challenges across the organization, maximizing our return on investment. In conclusion, this project demonstrated how technical innovation can drive significant business improvements. We have created a scalable solution that not only solves our immediate challenge but also position us for future automation opportunities. The success of this initiative has become a template for how we approach process improvement across the organization. Thank you for your attention